guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my makeup tutorial. I bought a couple things from Ulta today and I want to try them out, and so I'm going to try and input that into my routine and see how it turns out. So let's get into what I bought. So I bought this Build Daily Moisturizer with 15 SPF, the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension, Ordinary Caffeine for under eye because I really just want to target that area. I got some setting spray, and then I also got a lip liner and a lipstick, but I'm going to go in with this caffeine solution under my eye and see how it works. I'm so excited. All right, let's open her up. Ooh, I like this. I'm just gonna put it on my finger and go along the contour of my eye. Meantime, I'm going to add my moisturizer. You know, gotta get that SPF, protect your skin, guys. Super important. I'm going on a walk outside today, so I figured might as well get some SPF protection. And then I'm going to put it on my neck as well, because your skin on your neck is super sensitive and you want to try and prevent wrinkles, especially when you're younger. My mom would always talk to me about it, but I didn't listen to her, and now that I'm getting older, I'm like, wow, I should have really listened. I'm just going to clip my hair back so that we can get into this makeup routine. I legit look like a kid when I clip my hair back, but whatever. Okay. So I'm just gonna take my jade roller that I'm pretty sure I got this off of Amazon, and I'm just going to jade roll my face really quickly because I want to try and get those definitions on my face and reduce some inflammation that might have happened during the day so far. So I'm going to take my beauty blender, and I have been using the Kevyn Aucoin foundation, and it's in the shade 7, medium 7. And so I'm just going to put it on my beauty blender. It's supposed to give some light coverage. I try to do less than a pump every time, especially because I haven't been wearing makeup recently and there's just no point. So I'm just gonna evenly distribute that along my face and then apply it. It's super, super lightweight. I love it so much. So as you can see, it's super light coverage. I'm just gonna go in because you can still see my under eye circles. And I forgot to put this in the Ulta haul at the beginning of the video, but I got this orange concealer because I saw on a TikTok about using the color orange for especially darker skin, brown skin, and it really covers up those dark circles. So I'm so curious to try this. I'm literally opening this right now. Whoa, this applicator is so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, some came out. I was like, is there even any product in here? So I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oh. And then I think I can just use this applicator. Oh, I think I put too much. Look at me. My everyday makeup routine turned wrong. Okay. I don't know what to do, but I think you put the brown concealer on top. So right now I've been using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. So So I'm just gonna add that on top and see if it like actually covers anything. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and let's see. I'm just dabbing it. Oh my god, is that working? I should have done like one eye to see. Okay, now that I've concealed that, I'm gonna add some concealer to this pimple because I recently got it. I don't know why. I think it's just because I've been eating like crap. And if you don't know, if you live in Dallas, Zalot is the death of me. I love it so much. I can't live without it. I'm going to go in with my Glossier Cloud Paint, and this is in the color Puff. I have another color too that I use, but I'm gonna go with this one. It's like more pink. Just take a little bit of that on my fingers, my apples of my cheeks. Okay, I'm gonna add some more. But we've added the blush. I'm going to put my powder on, and right now I've been using the Tarte powder. I don't know which one this is. My thing broke, so I've been putting it in a plastic bag, and it's still very nice. Like, there's a lot of product left, so I'm just gonna take my brush and dab it under my eyes. Just making sure everything is set in place. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna take my Glossier Future Dew and put a little bit of this on my cheekbones just to give a little highlight. And then I'm gonna add some to my nose and my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna take my new lip liner, and it's in the shade Pink Wink 134. I'm just gonna apply this. Ooh, okay. So you can kind of twist it to go up. I'm just gonna leave it a little bit down because I don't want it to break yet. And I'm just gonna go along the outer edge and then probably fill it in a little bit to create a heart shape on the top. I'm going to add the lipstick that I bought. So this is the shade Flush Punch 222. It looks like this. Pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I love this mascara so much because it makes my eyelashes look so long. And like my eyelashes, I guess I'm like a little blessed because they're long. My brother has longer eyelashes. How insane is that? I was always so jealous. When boys get long eyelashes, I'm like, wow. Take this and apply it. I'm just gonna add it to the top to give a little natural effect instead of being too out there because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not really seeing anyone, so that is that. I'm gonna take these clips out, and I'm gonna take this NYX Matte Finish spray and put this on. Setting spray. I haven't used setting spray in so long. Okay. I don't know why that smelled like chemicals. It really did, and I know it has chemicals in it, but we're just gonna ignore that right now. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of going through this process with me, and also like just seeing what I like to do to make myself feel more confident. Definitely leave some comments below if you have any recommendations for new lipsticks or any new products that you think I should try, because I'm so open to trying new things and I really want to find what suits me best. So definitely recommend some for me and subscribe if you want to see more content. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.